This man found a strange oil painting whose paint had not yet dried. Curious, he touched it. When he returned home, he realized that the paint had not come off. He had washed his hands many times. He was tired, so he didn't dwell on it and went straight to sleep. The next morning, he saw that his 2 fingers were yellow. When he put his finger to his ear, he heard birds chirping. She was frightened and called her roommate, but he couldn't hear anything. He thought it was just a hallucination. She went to the sink and tried to wash her hands with detergent, but to no avail. At that moment, he saw a cleaning lady standing outside. He remembered this woman from a few days ago, when he had examined the painting. When the cleaning woman saw the man's yellow fingers, she told him to cut them off immediately. The man panicked and went back to the dormitory, but his roommate still didn't believe him. But first, which of these Messi and Ronaldo-like men would you save from an alien invasion? If you would save Ronaldo, leave a heart in the comments and like the video. If you would save Messi, share the video with a friend. Like and subscribe if you would save them both. The next day, the man's entire palm turned yellow and the birdsong grew louder. He was so scared that he took a knife to cut his hand, but he couldn't. Furious, he went to find the cleaning woman. She told him that she had seen the same painting 20 years ago. The paint had not yet dried. She had touched the painting and rubbed some of it on her sister's face. Then she saw that the paint never came off.